Hello friends, welcome to Hema's Cuisine. Today we are going to make lockdown chutney. If you have not subscribed to Hema's Cuisine, please do. It's free. So for this lockdown chutney, you don't need onion or tomato. Let's see what we need. We need half a cup of peanut, quarter cup of urad dal, and quarter cup of split dalia or roasted chana dal, 4 garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, and quarter cup of tamarind juice or tamarind paste made into a juice, and some oil to fry all this. In a kadai, we are going to add 3 teaspoons of oil, and then 4 garlics peeled, cut and peeled, now you add your urad dal and fry it a little bit till it's nice and brown. And then you add your peanuts. You can add it with the skin, but if you don't like the skin of the peanuts, then you can buy peanuts without the skin and fry it a little bit. Now the split dalia. The split dalia is roasted chana dal, so you don't need to roast it a lot like the other nuts. Just give it a good stir. And now we add the salt. The salt and the chili powder is up to you guys, up to your taste. And now we add the chili powder. And again, give it a good mix. Then we add the tamarind juice. Wait for it to be completely absorbed and cooked with the nuts. Now it's ready to be put in a blender and ground. So add half a cup of water or whatever consistency that you like your chutney to be. If you want it to be watery, then add like 3/4 cup of water. It's ready to be tempered now. So I'm adding a teaspoon of oil in a small tempering pan, 1 teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of urad dal, and some curry leaves, like 3 or 4. Once they all temper up, then add it to the chutney. Give it a good mix. And there you go, your lockdown chutney is all ready. You can make it without onion or tomato. Give it a try, guys, and let me know how it turned out to be. See you in another video. Bye-bye.